I've had my Model Y Juniper for 1 month, and these are my top 5 favorite surprise features that I really wasn't expecting. All right, welcome back to the channel. Dan here from Northern Tesla. So I've had my Model Y Juniper for about a month now, and look, I did expect better performance, but I did not expect this level of life improvement. And obviously, being a Tesla YouTuber, I knew everything there was to know about the Model Y Juniper before I ordered it. And once I got the car, I wasn't expecting to love some of these features as much as I do. The biggest surprise is how they turned the cabin from an average Tesla to a really premium space. If you're on the fence about upgrading, these 5 features are the only justification that you need. And trust me, the best ones aren't the ones you've heard about. I've ranked these 5 features based on their utility and surprise factor. We're going to start the countdown with a feature that finally makes the interior feel premium, a small detail with a huge impact. Let's find out what it is. But before I do though, please take a second and subscribe. You'll get better content, and who doesn't like better Tesla content? So you gotta subscribe. All right, we start off the countdown with the one little feature that is really subtle, but makes a huge difference. So in the old Teslas with the Model 3 and Y, you would have speakers kind of everywhere. And now they're really hidden. You don't see them at all. There's the ones in the door, but even then, they're really blended in. And besides the speakers, the material they're using in the cabin feels a lot more premium. When the Model 3 Highland came out and they changed the dash, at first I didn't really like it, but now that I'm in one, I kind of like it. It really feels premium, and like the material, the texture, all that, it just lends to a more luxurious experience, which gives the entire space a more luxurious feel. So going from a Model 3 to a Model Y, obviously I was going to love the bigger space, but this feature in the Juniper makes the world of difference. And I'm talking about the folded seats. With a touch of a button, they'll go down. You can control it from the touchscreen like I'm doing right now. And you'll notice that I am moving. Tesla is smart enough that they're going to move the seats in the front so that the rear seats can come down, and now I'm going back again. Next up is ambient lighting. Now, I didn't know I would love ambient lighting as much as I do. Now, if you've watched the channel before, I've put third-party ambient lighting, and I feel like sometimes ambient lighting is a bit of a gimmick, but in this new Model Y, they've nailed it. Bow to the masters. So it's not so much the ambient lighting that I like so much, but it's the features that come with it. And my favorite feature is that it syncs with music, which turns the car into a really fun environment. And beyond that, you can turn on Rave Cave, which turns out the brightness and really makes it feel like a rave. And actually, the hidden feature is that if you go to Rainbow Road, you can get more rainbows. And what I mean by that is your accent lights will rotate through the rainbow, which is pretty cool. And then if you have music sync on as well, I'm not going to lie, it gets pretty crazy in here, and the kids love it. Another feature that I wasn't expecting to love so much is the addition of the front bumper cam. Now, when parking, this is a lifesaver. Usually I would rely on visualizations. Now, if you don't have FSD, do you even get visualizations? Let me know in the comments, because I don't know. With those visualizations, you have an idea how far things are, but you have no idea of height. So specifically with curbs, like sometimes the curb is low and you can clear it. Other times, you can't tell. So it's really good to have that front bumper cam so you know exactly what the car is driving into. All right, this last feature is definitely my favorite. Now, with the Juniper, they took away the stock. You still have the turn signal stock, but that's another story for another day, but you don't have an actual gear shift stock, which I love. So the way to change gears is basically you have to swipe up and down on the screen. Now that's fine and dandy, but the best thing is that with auto shift beta, you don't have to touch any of that. So with auto shift, you never have to shift gears yourself. Now it is in beta mode. All the times I've used it, it's worked perfectly and flawlessly. Basically, anytime you're either pulling in or pulling out of a spot, it will know. So it'll put the car in either reverse or forward. And then from there, if you're driving and you want to do a 3-point turn, it is the easiest thing in the world. All you have to do is turn the wheel, apply the brakes like you normally would, and the car will shift itself from forward to reverse depending on the need. It is amazing and jaw-dropping at the same time, and I love it, and it's so convenient. All right, so there are some of my favorite features of the new Model Y Juniper. Now, these aren't the best features, but definitely the ones that I wasn't expecting to love this much. You just can't go wrong with this car. Now, these are just 5 features that make the Model Y Juniper one of the best cars to own in my opinion. And I'll be doing a full review later to show you exactly why I think this is the best car you can own. All right, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss videos, which I release about every week or so. Tons of awesome Tesla content coming up, especially with this new Model Y Juniper. So you don't want to miss that. So be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And be sure to follow me on all my socials down here. Anyways, thanks again for watching. We'll see you next week. In the meantime, drive safe and drive electric. You're using in the cabin feels a lot more premium. Premium. This is not a blooper. Premium. So obviously, features there are tons. So you can change. You can pick, and if you have music, a hidden feature, and also a hidden feature, and then if you have music, and then if you have sync, the next feature that I did. Now these are just some of the five features that probably. Now these are just